Hi Renderinos, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this jar full of Pokemon names and I'm gonna pick two and then I'm gonna design a Pokemon based off them. I also have a new sketchbook here with me. This is the Crescent Rendr. It's a square one and I'm really excited to try it. As you can see, it's my first page, so we'll see how it works out. It's supposed to not bleed through. By the paper thickness, I have low hopes because Illo's about the same and it bled through, but let's give it a shot. Here we go. I crumpled them up so I can't really see them. Just gonna give them a nice shake. Gotta stick my hand in. I'm not looking, I promise. This one. I got Braixen. Sure, I'll type that in and see what comes up. And then Shroomish. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna just go look this up and get myself a reference, and then we'll sketch. So I'll pop up two pictures of each Pokemon, but Braixen, I don't know, but that Pokemon, this one, seems to be more of like a fox character that's kind of like a tree at the same time. And then Shroomish is like this big like blob thing, and it's really interesting. And I think their designs will work kind of well together because they like seem to merge into the same shape. So I zoomed you guys in a bit so you could see better, and it's looking more Braixen-y than like Shroomish. So I think I'm gonna try to add some more Shroomish details, like the spots. So I think this is going to be the finished design, at least for now. And so I'm taking a micron. Where's my 0.2? I need my 0.2. Oh, there it is. I'm going to be using my micron. It's actually a 0.2, not a 0.2. I'm just going to line it. Zooming you guys up. So I'm thinking I'm going to write like welcome to my sketchbook or something, because this is the first page and the page is looking a little blank. So back to lining with my micron. I think I'm gonna get a Copic multi-liner soon because the microns tend to smudge around with my ohuhus, and I don't really like that. I don't think anybody would. So, fancy new angle, ooh. But now's the moment of truth. We're gonna see if this actually bleeds through or if the claims are correct. And that it doesn't. I have no faith, so I'm putting in a little thing under it. Let me know if you like these different angles, because I think they're kind of fun. I think, whatever. 45. 45. I'm scared. Okay, we're gonna go for it. That's not the right color, but whatever. Oh, no, you should be on the other side. So much switching. Moment of truth, I haven't looked. Looks like it doesn't show through. That's crazy. What the heck? Wow. Oh my god. Wait, what? How? How does it not show? What? This is magic. Guys, let me know what you think of the different angles in the comments below. I just literally used a pencil holder and stuck my phone between them. And also comment your favorite Pokemon, because I don't know, I want to know. And if I do like another one of these, I might like use ones from the comments. Yeah. So my phone cut off recording quite a bit of this, but just let me finish these. One more, come on. Wrong marker, bah. Okay, so this really kind of isn't my best piece ever, but like I was trying new things and I had a lot of fun doing it, so that's all that matters. So if you had as much fun as I did, or like just like what I drew, I guess, and also if you like that it doesn't bleed through, leave a like on this video. I'll leave a link to the sketchbook, maybe, if I remember, and Ohuhu markers and all my supplies down below. And I'll see you all in the next video, I guess. And what else to say? Thanks for watching and getting to the end. Oh yeah, I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, so I'll see you all next time. Bye!